A beautiful day for a trip, exploring every corner of the city. I want to fly over my city to see what my little town looks like. Lhokseumawe is my city, where I was born and raised. Look at its nature, far from the hustle and bustle of the big city, yet unpretentious. Let's fly and see this city. Follow me in the flapping of these wings and enjoy what is presented. Lhokseumawe is a small town that always makes me miss when I'm away. Peace, friendliness and camaraderie trump everything else. Good night, my city, Lhokseumawe. Thank you for flying with me.